Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Pushanchilia. Um, so I have come with a product called as AI Vault Upload Replica Image. So the idea, let me talk about the background of this idea. So idea was generated as I am working in my company. So the idea was generated. So we upload lots of images and we saw during the Ghibli art trend that we uploaded a lot of images to ChatGPT and other AI tools to generate our Ghibli art, but we don't know how they use them, right? So basically, we don't know. Though they said they don't use it for training, but I don't believe in them, to be honest. So I have come with this idea, AI Vault, and we can upload our encrypted bit. So let me talk about the workflow of this image, this process. So what we do basically when we upload our video to this tool, it is generate two things. One is AE6 256 encryption session key and the public and private key infrastructure. So basically what would be happening once as a user, once I upload our image, it will generate a session key and a public private key. So now I will encrypt the image with the session key and my private key. Since my public key is available with all of the people as the name says public key, so once I upload this image, the session key would be given to the ChatGPT to decrypt that image, generate the Ghibli art, or whatever the functionality that's supposed to explain me the image, right? So it will be taken to that. Once it's done, the session key will get expired once I get the output, and now ChatGPT can no longer use that image for encryption and decryption purpose. And how is the Web3 part in it? So I am trying to log in that image so that no one uses it for any other purposes. I can see since Web3 is the most trustful source for decentralizing things and it is not used by anyone. So I have ensured that through Web3. Now, where the Aptos part and why not other? So I use Aptos because it's very trustable. The rate limiting is very less in Aptos. It's generated within very quickly hour as compared to Bitcoin, which generates a node every 10 minutes. Aptos does it very fastly. Now, when I am storing the image in Web3, so definitely I have to store it somewhere. So that's why I have used Pinata, which on the baseline stores to IPFS. I have generated Pinata API key and I have used for it. Right. So this is the background of the context of the image. So let me tell you how this works. I will go to the website. Oh, by the way, this website is already being deployed to Vercel. If I have the link, I will just showcase it. Uh, yeah. So this has already been deployed in Vercel. You can check it out over this link, pickout minus move minus app to Vercel.app. So you can directly fetch from there. Let me take to the local host since I have integrated a lot of other features over here and which I couldn't take it to the Vercel. So let me just talk to the local host. So let me just upload any of my image. This is one of the images that I took during the Aptos event. That's a very great event going on over here in Bangalore. The food is very good. The judges are very good over here. Everyone is very collaborative. So this image has spoken. So let me just upload it. It will be taking a lot of time. So let me just take it to the already pre-generated output. So this is one of the output that I took the screenshot of it, and you can see on the screen we have the session key, encrypted hash key, and the blockchain transaction hash. So this all can be shared, and so the prompt that I give for this during the API was to generate the mood using that. So definitely I get a QR code, and like if you scan the QR code, you will get the information that I am very happy uh, today in the Aptos hackathon. So this is basically the product of the. This is basically the generated product for it, and this is the high level architecture. Let me go. Let me give you a run through the code. So once I upload my image, so this is the output that we can see there. Uh, Whatever the Gemini gave me, a young person with an expression of Syrian, whatever is this. This I can see in the terminal though. So I can see the once I upload an image, it comes and hit over in the encrypt upload.us. It has done all the processing and encryption here, and then it has post to localhost, which where my backend is already running, and make a post request over there, and I got the output and then rendering it. So now let me go to the server.js. What server.js, it has got the output from the front end, which was running in 5173. So file has been encrypted and has been posted in Aptos hackathon, and then it has sorry Aptos, and the image has been generated, and it goes to basically AI worker. It make a post request definitely to AI worker URL where my worker is actually working of the Gemini and other thing. So it has goes there and then get the transaction. So when I come to the worker, it just make a we just make a Gemini API to this, and then just basically give me the prompt and like basically general API call to Gemini of describing about mode mood. I will get the QR code and that's getting the publish over there. So this is how the thing is working. Apart from this, I have the move Komal, like this is my account address, and like whatever Aptos is there, Aptos client.js, which basically stored it in the Aptos lab. And the yeah, so this is about my project, and this is the workflow of how it is going. I have used React for it since it's very like it's very much useful right now in the industry. For Python I have used for Gemini key, and JS for rendering and passing it to the Python. Yeah, so this is my project. uh yeah, so the future scope of which is like, so I haven't implemented the zero knowledge proof. As we know, Aptos is a level one blockchain thing, that so that it can do much faster as compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I can implement zero knowledge so that it become more faster and it become gasless transaction. Also, I have to implement a mobile application for it, since most of the time we take selfies and then upload it, right? So this was a pre-generated photo I have uploading, but yeah, this is the future scope of this, and like I have to make the image very much useful, like the front end very much user friendly. So these are the future work scope of this. I hope you like the product and upvote me for the hackathon. So thanks for listening to me. This was my project. Myself Kush Anchelia, rename is Pika Chukima. And thanks for listening to me. Thanks. Thanks a lot.